Hi! Here in Romania, it's going to be Easter this weekend, which means that here in Bucharest, most people will flee the city, will go to their families, to their loved ones, and we'll be celebrating it together. This will be very fun on one hand, but on the other hand, there's a high chance that you may have this one family member, or maybe even two, who are really making you sick every time you meet them. And you cannot go back to your family and not have them there. Maybe it's even a brother, a sister, or maybe even one of your parents or your grandparents who's always like annoying you, squeezing you, saying bad things, making you feel shitty, saying that you're a loser, or horrible things. So how to deal with this? How would it be if you could go to your family and have a nice holiday with your family and not even notice the person is there, or at least not being affected or being less affected, like knowing it, like, okay, and that it doesn't touch you anymore, doesn't hurt you anymore. How would that be? If this is what you feel that you're gonna encounter when going there this weekend, and you want to change this, then click the link, join, and let's do this workshop tomorrow together. In this workshop, I will be sharing with you simple tools and techniques that we've been using for years now, and that work, so that negative people do not affect me anymore. And so they will not affect you anymore, or at least at the beginning, because now it's very short, you will not have too much time to practice, but at least it will affect you less and less and less and less. And you may even apply these techniques at work with this annoying coworker or this annoying boss or whoever is bothering you, or this annoying neighbor or friend. I mean, somebody not really a friend, but he's friend of a friend, so every time you go out with this friend, this other friend is there. When you go with the group, there's always this like the mosquito will go annoying you during the night. Well, that mosquito will not annoy you anymore. So click the link and come tomorrow, here in Bucharest, close to Piazza Oniri. You will get the exact address after you register and pay. You will find everything on the link on my website. Hope to see you tomorrow, so that you can start having nicer holidays with your family.